Hi everyone, we've got another question. Let's read this question. It says David drives to the supermarket on his way from work. The table shows some information about the journey. He leaves work at 5:30, 17:30, and then gets to supermarket at 17:45. So just from there to there, the journey took him 15 minutes. And then from the supermarket, he leaves at 10 past 6. So he was in the supermarket for about 25 minutes. Okay, the first part of the question says how many minutes is David at the supermarket? We kind of work that out. So from 17:45 to 1800 is 15 minutes, and 1800 to 1810 is another 10, so 15 plus 10 is 25 minutes. Okay, that's nice and simple. Right, let's see. The next part of the question says David leaves the supermarket at 10 past 6, 1810. He drives 20 miles, so I'm gonna write down there's a distance of 20 miles. And mile is the full word, not m is meters. Okay, when writing units, that is. There is a speed limit for the journey of 30 miles per hour. Okay, wrote that down as well. Okay, David drives within the speed limit. Can David get home before 1900? So let's first work out the time. It says give reasons for your answer. So let's go back to the distance, speed, time triangle. Not such a neat triangle this time, sorry for that. So if you want to find time, you're going to cover time as distance divided by speed. So time is distance divided by speed, and the distance is 20 miles divided by 30 miles. Now I've got a fraction over here, and your time will be in hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both the numerator and denominator by 10 because they come in the 10 times table. Okay, so my time is 2/3 hours. So to convert, I need to see how many minutes this would be. So to convert hours into minutes, we just multiply by 60. So we do 2/3 times 60. Just a quick note on the conversions. So when you have units of conversion, so you have hours and you have minutes. So when you go from the larger one to the smaller one, you're always multiplying by the conversion, regardless of what the conversion is. And if you're going from the smaller to the larger one, you're going to divide by the conversion. Remember that? Okay, so let's get back to this question here. So this is the same. Okay, I can do 2 times 60 is 120, and 120 divided by 3. So I multiply by the numerator, divide by the denominator, and that'll give me 40 minutes. Okay, I've run out of space here, so I'm gonna go back on the sheet of paper and the 40 minutes. I hope this is clear. Right, is the time it will take him. So The time was 1810 when he left the supermarket. If he had on 40 minutes, the time he should reach would be 1850. So yes, statement saying yes, David should reach by should reach by 1850, and my reasoning is my working out, and that's the answer. Hope that helps.